Welcome to a walk round video of Dark Horse of England, designed by Jason Kerr and built in 2014 by AD Boats in Croatia under the Salona brand. AD Boats founded in 2002 and specialise in high quality performance cruising boats. We start our tour in the Varadero Yacht in Valencia. She's out of the water for the winter, having returned from the Caribbean. The helm is a very clear view forward, with the B&G displays replaced in 2022. Next to the helm there are the utility winches within easy reach of the helm, and also keeps all the sheets clear from the guests in the cockpit. The clear deck layout gives plenty of room to move around, for the self-jacking jib keeps sheets away from the side deck. Upstairs, as you'd expect from Jason Kerr, the carbon mast has a very powerful sail plan with a fail-safe ball-bearing car system within easy reach thanks to the split track down at the bottom. Anchoring is a simple task with a rotating arm, allowing the anchor and the bow roller to be stored out of harm's way when not in use. The real USP of this yacht is the space available both on deck and below. The addition of the fixed bimini has transformed the cockpit into a sheltered area, which also has removable clear panels for added protection. This is easily removable if you're more of a sun lover. You can also see there's an extra bimini over the helm stations. There's quite an enormous dinghy garage or a lazarette space that houses the Williams 345 tender. That's currently away for service. The twin stern thrusters allow not only more power for manoeuvring, but also more space for the hull shape of the rib. First impressions on entering the saloon is just pure space and comfort. She has 3 full double cabins with added bunk cabin. The master cabin forward is given an island double with plenty of natural light from the deck through the hull windows. A nice touch is the office area, should working aboard be a necessity for you. The full ensuite heads has a separate shower unit. Both aft cabins have ensuite heads, with Jack and Jill access for use as day heads. The starboard cabin has access to the machinery room, the aft end of the engine and the generator. You may also note that all the mattresses in every cabin have been recently recovered and unused since. Dark Horse is a beautifully designed and constructed performance yacht. She would really suit extended passages or coastal family cruising. She has plenty of space inside and out, and simple and easy to manoeuvre.